Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a signature that you can add in all of your Gmail emails, whether it's just text, images, links, and so on. You can go to the top right here on settings, press on see all settings, then in the general tab you scroll all the way down. You'll find the signatures section here. And since this is a fresh account, there are currently no signatures. We press on create new. It will ask you for the signature name that you would like. So I'll just call it sign, then create. On the right side here, you are able to input whatever you want to be included in your email as a signature. And now since it's just text, you can highlight on it and then change the font if you'd like here. So let's say I want the font to be Georgia. And then for the second one, you are able to change the font size. So whether it's normal, large, or huge, I'll just have the normal size. You can make it bold, italic, underline it. You can change the text color, whether it's, let's say, blue text color. As you can see, it changed the text color, but you also have the option to change the background color. So let's say I want it blue and the background to be red. As you can see, it changed the background behind the text itself. I'll just keep it white for now with blue font color. This option, you can create links using it. Let's say as an example for the link, I want to link back to my website. So I'll add this, then I'll highlight it, press on link. As you can see here, it made this part a link. And if you press on it, it will take you to the website that you've linked in your signature. If we go back, you can also, for the link section, if we go to the next line, press on link, you can also add your email address if you would like. So let's say you would like to make it easier for people to contact you. So I added my email here. This is the text that will display. And here you copy and paste your email address and then press on OK. So if people press on this link, it will email to this email address. For the next feature, you're able to also insert images. So if I press on insert image, you can either add images through your Google Drive or through a specific URL that an image you found and you would like to add it in your signature, or you can also upload by dragging and dropping. As an example, I'll add the logo here by dropping it, and it will start uploading it. As you can see here, it uploaded the image and added it in the original size, but you can also change the size of the image itself by pressing on either small, medium, large, original size, and so on. So I just want it to be small since it's a signature. And you can also change the alignment and add a list if you would like. You also have more options here. Since we're done editing it now, if you go to the bottom here, you can add the signature for any email that you create. So for all new emails, it will add this signature. If you press on it and choose sign, which is the name of the signature that we just created, you also have the option to have a separate signature for emails that you reply on or forward, but I will have it the same. For this check mark, you're also able to remove these two dashes before your signature. Press on it. Once we're done here, we have to scroll all the way down and press on save changes. Now it takes us back to the main inbox, and if we create a new email, as you can see, it adds it automatically to the email that you create, and it will always be there. As an example here, I have an email that I just sent to myself, and I would like to reply to that email. As you can see, it automatically added the signature that we just created in our reply. The same for forwarding the email. And that's how you add the signature to your Gmail email. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.